In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in WordPress. We'll keep it simple and clear so you feel confident navigating the pages area and shaping the content of your site. Start by opening your WordPress website and making sure you're signed into the dashboard. This is the control center for everything on your site. On the left-hand menu, look for the Pages option. Click it and you'll land on the Pages screen. Here you'll see a list of all the pages that already exist on your site, such as Home, About, or Contact. This list helps you keep track of titles, authors, and when each page was last modified. You can also search for a page by name and filter by status, like Published or Draft, which is handy as your site grows. From here, you have two choices: create a new page or edit an existing one. If you're starting fresh, choose to create a new page and you'll enter the editor. If you want to adjust something that's already there, open that page to edit it. The editing experience is the same in both cases, so you'll quickly get comfortable. Inside the editor, you'll find the title field at the top and the content area below, where you build your page using blocks. Blocks are flexible elements like paragraphs, headings, images, galleries, buttons, and more that you can add, rearrange, and customize. Click the plus icon to insert a block and use the toolbar that appears to format text, align content, or adjust styles. This block-based approach keeps your design clean and consistent without needing any code. On the right side, the Page Settings panel lets you control important details. Here, you can manage the page URL, choose whether the page is visible to everyone or kept private, and add a featured image that represents the page in certain themes. Depending on your theme, you may also see template and layout options, which help you set things like full-width layouts or sidebars. If your site uses a page hierarchy, you can assign a parent page to keep navigation organized. Take your time to explore these features and elements. You can structure content with headings for clarity, use images to break up text, and add buttons for calls to action. If you're experimenting, work in draft mode and preview your changes to see how they'll look on the live site before you finalize anything. That's it. You've opened WordPress, navigated to pages, viewed your list, and chosen to create or edit. With these tools, you can build polished pages that match your brand and goals.